In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in California state. We'll walk through the official Los Angeles County Court portal together so you can look up your citation, choose the right option, and pay securely without hassle. Have your citation number or your driver's license number ready, plus a credit or debit card for payment. Start by going to the Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles Traffic Online Services portal. This is the official site. Type the address directly into your browser or use a trusted bookmark, and make sure you see the secure lock icon in your address bar. Avoid links from random texts or emails, as those are commonly used in scams. Once you're on the site, select Traffic Online Services. You'll see a user agreement. Take a moment to read it and click to accept the terms so you can continue to the lookup page. Next, search for your case. You can enter your citation number exactly as it appears on your ticket or notice, or use your driver's license number if you don't have the citation handy. After you submit, the portal will pull up your case details. If more than one result appears, choose the one that matches your information. Review everything carefully. You'll see the violation type, the total amount due, often labeled bail, which is simply the fine and fees, the due date, and your available options, which usually include pay, request traffic school if you're eligible, or contest the ticket. Confirm that the name, citation number, and amounts are correct, and note the due date to avoid late penalties. Now decide how you want to proceed. Paying the ticket is a guilty plea and it closes the case, but it can add points to your driving record. If the traffic school option is shown and you're eligible, you'll pay the fine and any administrative fees, then enroll in a license course to help keep a point off your record and reduce the chance of an insurance increase. If you plan to contest, you can request a trial instead of paying here. If you're paying online, enter your card details on the secure payment page. A small online service fee may apply. Double check the amount, your billing information, and submit. Don't refresh the page while it's processing. When payment is approved, save or print your receipt right away as proof. You can also save a PDF copy for your records. If you selected traffic school, remember you must complete the course by the court's deadline. Finally, give the system a little time to update your case status, and you're done.